So hi, today I am answering some of the questions regarding to uh, Windows. So we have the first question: what is the difference between feature update and quality update, and how to check for the updates? So feature update is the some kind of big update that adds the new features. Sometimes can be the new design, the new software that the Windows generally launch. And the quality updates are some of the small updates or some bug fixes, some security issues. So to find that uh, what updates and what feature updates are in our system, that we can simply check those from the setting option, where we can find in Windows update, and there we can see the check for update options. So the second question is, how can we figure that whether our computer have SSD or HDD, and simply what are the major difference between them? So to find that which disk we have, SSD or HDD, we can simply press Ctrl Shift plus ESC, to which takes us the performance tab. In the performance tab we can click the disk there, and then uh, there is a media player where we can find uh, different things about our system, about our PC. So about the difference between with them. So SSD is the new version. This is the new device that is that use on our new computers. So that is the new technology, so that is faster than HDD. So this is made with a simple, small, portable device. So other than that, the traditional type HDD, that is uh, slower than SSD, which have a disc inside it, or spinning disc. So it's little heavier. It makes sound, and it's also the outdated. So so we have the third question. So the third question is, how can you figure out whether how do you troubleshoot the printer not able to work? So mm, when the printer is not working, there can be the lots of thing that printer is not working. There can be different aspect. So firstly we can check that the printer is connected or not with just the cable, like USB cable or the Wi-Fi that which connect to the printer. So from that other than that, we can run the window troubleshooter, where we can find that is there um, something issue in that printer. And another thing that we can uh, also check the driver of the printer. Sometimes there can be issue with the driver. So those are the things. So another question is, what is different between work group and the domain? So work group means a small group of computers, or each or a PC, or a single PC can be said, that each PC. So if I have my computers in my laptop, this can be the call is a work group. So the domain is the central control by a server, which is generally used by the different companies, so there are the lots of computer in a single network. So mm, we can simply say that work group is some kind of home, or domain is for the office. So we have another question: how does DHCP work? So DHCP is a work when we connect it to the Wi-Fi or LAN. So DHCP always auto assign an IP address to the computer. So uh, uh, so so uh, and the DHCP assign separate IP address to each PC, which is which we don't have to setting up that manually. So another question is, what is BSOD? Blue screen update, or how can we uh, for that? So when PC, sometimes we can see that our PC crash was giving us some blue screen having some error message. This is the common types of errors, common type of crash among our computers. So to solve this there are we can approach from different ways. So firstly we can restart a computer again. So we can update the drivers, or there can be some sorts of hardware issue. So other than that we can also check that system through this Windows safe mode. We can simply go to the safe mode in the computer and go to the event viewer, where in event viewer there is some sorts of logs or some sorts of um, messages which previously uh, what happened on that system. Mm. So we have another question: how do you create a bootable USB? So there are lots of options to create a bootable USB. So there are some pre-built application like Rufus or window media creation. So we can create the bootable USB. For bootable USB we need a USB and ISO image file. So with the help of Rufus or window media creation we can simply create a bootable USB. So and we have the other question: how many ways do you know to reimaging a PC? So reimaging the PC, we have different options. So we can simply use the recovery image, or uh, as we talked earlier, we can use through the bootable USB. So many of computers they have their own uh, reimaging software or system. So we can use the company IT software, or we can simply insert our Windows from our own PC. So we have another question. What is how to download the log or so to download the either log we can simply go to event viewer. So we can in here if we have, let's see our error log here. So there are different types of error log. There are some kind of app error. So there can be issue related to the app or issue related to the system. So application log, system log, or we can have the security log. So these are the questions. Thank you.